Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy MJ Andresen and today we'll be doing unboxing grocery. Kasi nga dito ano pa rin, maingat pa rin kami sa paglabas-labas. So naisipan namin na dapat online muna kami mag-order ng pagkain namin for 1 week. So okay, ang budget na ito ay para sa whole 1 week namin, like 7 days talaga siya. Okay, so please, you can follow my social media as well. You can check out my Instagram, MJ_Andresen lang din, and you can go to my Facebook page if you want to connect more with me. So you can just search Mommy MJ Andresen, or I can just link it to my description below. Okay guys, so without further ado, come on, let's start the video. Okay, so I have actually 2 box. Madami siya. So I'm gonna start with the first box. Okay, sorry with my baby here. So okay, so the first box I'm going to show you is this. So alam nyo na, si mommy nyo mahilig mag-meal plan. So this I have mushroom. This is gonna be good. Okay, and then spinach. Ang healthy ni mommy ha. Yan, spinach. Okay, and then white onions. Wow. Okay. Wow, carrots. Ang dami naman ito. Hindi ko nakalain na ganito siya kadami, guys. Okay. And then, wait. Asparagus. Kalimutan ko bigla. Asparagus. Ayan. So parang ano to parang ang first box ko ay puro siya vegetables. Kasi ang in-order ko, in-order namin yesterday is, meat and okay guys, so let's continue. Okay, so may cabbage tayo. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Super ganda niya. And okay nga, may mystery box. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. But we can open kung ano ang laman ng mystery box na to. Okay. So, I know now. Okay. So, ang laman ng box natin, guys, ay chicken fillet. So, ang in-order ko is 4 na ganito. Ayan, naka-slice na siya, diba? Super convenient. Hindi na ako paghihiwain. Ayan. Next, spring onions. Pang sprinkles lang, pang pa-char-char, pang pa-design. And then, garlic. Of course, uy, nakahalo si plum. Of course, may pa-fruits. Ang dami ng laman ng 1 box. And 1 bacon. I love bacon, guys, kasi every morning talaga kumakain ako ng bacon. Iwan ko lang, basta masarap lang kumain ng bacon. And then, ito na, ano to? Guys, hindi ko alam. Naka-Norwegian siya, pero ano na siya, parang naka-marinated na. Para siyang pork marinated. Basta meat, yun na yun. And this one, parang pork fillet. Pork fillet. Ang dami ng laman ng isang box. Oh wow, this is my favorite. Yogurt siya, guys. Healthy for breakfast. Dalawa in order namin. And Prim. Ito siya yung yung pang spread para kay Kaison, para sa baby ko. Actually, masarap to siya. Masarap pang spread sa bread. And then, we have egg. Ang dami ng 1 box namin. And, okay, nakasupot siya. Ooh, blueberry, guys. And Kaison milk. Kasi sinasanay ko na si Kaison mag-milk ng ganito every morning. Though nagme-milk pa rin siya, pero every night na lang. Baka gusto nyo ng recommendation na milk. Nan ang ginagamit niya. Maganda siya. Okay. Lastly, sa box natin, ito ay ground pork. Parang hindi siya ground pork kasi may pa-sausage. Kita nyo pa. Basta something naka-ground siya. Giniling ground. Basta yun ang laman ng ating first box. So, tapos na siya. And let's go to the next box. Mabigat. Guys, ang bigat ng second box natin. Iwan ko ano to. Okay, so second box natin may supot, may plastic bag. Let's see. Okay, so ito uso to dito yung bread na dapat naka-preheat siya sa oven, pero sobrang sarap nito. I will share this to my Instagram story, so please be sure to follow my Instagram, MJ_Andresen. Next, mackerel fish fillet. Daming goodies. Dalawang supot. And then, of course, lastly, cinnamon rolls. Oh my god, ito yung kakainin ko today after namin mag-lunch time. So, this better be good. Next, whey protein, guys. Muzzle up, muzzle up, muzzle up. Okay, so I will also be sharing this to my IG story. So please be sure to follow, okay? And bread, with whole bread to siya. Yan. Healthy lang ang lifestyle. So, dalawa ang bread namin. At saka, flour, just in case na magbe-bake ako. So, kaya meron ganito. For instance. Of course, may 7-Up. 7-Up free. So, magaling. Tatlo in order namin. Tatlo sila. And then, for hubby. Sa husband ko. Kanyang pang shower. And then, liver spread. Para pa rin kang Kaison to. Cute. Baby girl. Next, cucumber. Ba't nasali to si cucumber dito sa isang box? Dapat sa first box yun. But anyways, let's continue. Coffee, tawag nito. Kasi, purong kape siya kasi nga dito sa Norway also ang may sarili kang machine at saka bawal, hindi naman bawal pero ito talaga yung uso sa kanila. So, puro talaga siya. So, make your own coffee talaga dito. Okay, so next. Of course, hindi mawawala ito. Oatmeal. Sarap nito for breakfast. I'm excited, guys. So, guys, i-share ko lahat ang mga kakainin ko sa IG story. So, please be sure to follow, okay? Love ya! So, ang next is sugar. Ayan. Yun nga, nasabi ko earlier na ano lang to, in case na magbe-bake ako, at least may ingredients. Ang dami talaga. Egg noodles. Yan. Pag hindi magra-rice, light meal lang. So, egg noodles. And then, I'm not quite sure ano to. Ewan ko, basta something pang ingredients to siya. And then, of course, the dessert. Brownies. Okay. So, okay guys. So, natapos natin ang 2 box. So, that's all I can share with you all. So, ang cost ng 2 box is 1,900 crowns. So if we convert to peso, it's probably like 9,000 to 10, it's 12,000. So if crowns is 1,900 sa, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So yan. So 2 box, yan ang laman. Lahat-lahat. Ayan. Okay. That's all for today. Please, if you enjoy watching my video today, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you want to see more video, you can comment, okay? And if you want to see my condo, I can make vlog for you. Just comment below. Thank you so much. Keep safe.